sing in the town. D is for dog with a bark and a bound.
E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for guitar, playing a fun song. H is for hat, which I wear all day long. Let's sing our ABCs with the birds and the bees. Learning letters is so fun. From A to Z for everyone. Hey kids, let's sing the NBCs. Come along and sing with me. We're A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Letters dancing, come and see. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Smiling faces, friends till the end. When O, P, Q, R, S, and T. U, V, W, dance with me. X, Y, Z, now that's the end. Sing it loud and tell a friend. Query is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, let's bounce around. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum, let's tap the beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for guitar, strum and play. H is for hat, hip hip hooray. O, P, Q, R, S, and T. U, V, W, dance with me. X, Y, Z, now that's the end. Sing it loud and tell a friend. Clap our hands and stomp your feet. The ABCs are really neat. Twirl around and touch the ground. Learning letters all around. More I is for igloo, cold and cool. J is for jump, let's move in school. K is for kite, fly up so high. L is for lion, hear it cry. M is for moon, shining bright. N is for night, stars in sight. O is for octopus, wiggly fun. P is for pizza, yum yum yum. Q is for queen with the crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for train, choo-choo, delight. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, play a refrain. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we've sung the ABC. Thanks for singing along.